done this before, Tyler.
What? Sex? Come on, you're like the biggest slut in Woods Lake.
Excuse me?
I love you, baby.
Oh, I love you too.
So, a blowjob sounds like a good idea.
We get it, Tyler. God, the writers of the script are terrible. Teenagers aren't all about sex.
You're right, Nina. I mean, looks like you got a shot at being prom queen, though. It's all over Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, MySpace, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, everywhere.
Really? Wow. Even after what we did to that loser?
Shh. We don't talk about that, okay? We don't talk about that kid that we bullied who may or may not be the killer until at least episode 6.
How many episodes are in this again?
10.
Fuck. Listen, he was a loser. In high school, it's all about fitting in. That's what life's all about.
You really think so?
I know so. How many friends do you think you're gonna have in 2 years?
A lot. I mean, it's not they're gonna stop talking to me or anything, right? Right?
No, because when you're friends in high school, you're friends for life.
Yeah. I guess so. Well, I gotta go.
Why, baby?
It's what the plot wants. See ya, bitch.
Music on. I should put on some makeup before I go to bed. 17:38. I'm putting on makeup, so that makes me a bitch. What? Hello? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! You're not Ghostface.